In terms of US pre-market movers and some chart points.
Okay, well, NXP Semiconductor, that's NXPI, this was up about 4.59% to $88.36 in Friday's short session in the States. Their $40 billion merger with Freescale Semiconductor got clearance from the Chinese regulatory authorities. That's how the world is now. It's not just Europe and the US that rule on these things. The Chinese have a say in large takeover deals these days as well. And then Southwestern Energy, that's ticker SWN in the US, $8.90, up 1.83% this morning pre-market. Might not sound like a big move, but the stock was down over 7% on Friday as the market reacted to further news of big finds in the Utica shale beds in Pennsylvania. So once upon a time, if you announced a big find,
that would have been bullish.
Yes, it would. These days, the world's topsy-turvy, and if you find more oil and gas, it's not perceived to be good for the. In fact, it wasn't even Southwestern Energy's find. That's the point. This is a sort of sympathetic move, but
bizarre.
Yeah.
Okay, in terms of chart points, these are the cash levels.
They are. Okay, so FTSE, we played 6,300, the round number, versus 6,375. For the DAX, we're looking at 11,280 against 11,390. In the US markets, a very muted session on Friday, as you might expect, with most people off for the Thanksgiving holiday. 2080 is the downside level to watch, and the S&P plays 2094 to the upside. And for the Dow, 17,715 is our downside level, whilst we watch 17,830 on the upside. It's been a very quiet session, really, thus far in as far as European equity markets are concerned. Currency-wise, dollar seems to be in the ascendant again. Euro US dollar 105.55 now on the downside. Ahead of Thursday's meeting, 105.95 to the upside, the level to watch. The Aussie dollar US dollar 71.84 plays 72.30. Dollar yen still straddling that 123 handle, so 122.85 on the downside, plays 123.25 there. And cable's been the big mover, testing back to a key level at 150, so 150.00. The round number will play as our downside support, and 150.50 the upside level to watch, but we did test below 150 in early trade this morning.